Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bayera Mezura. I'm first semester at Sunan II Institute. In this video, I want to share a little bit about my personal experience. And this story is quite close to my life. So I hope you can relate to it or at least take something from it. So I have a question not or question. Since we were kids, we were actually pretty close. We used to play together, share stories, and we were almost like siblings. But as we grew older, I started to notice some change in their behavior. At first, I didn't really realize it, but over time, I began to feel like they uh, often compared themselves to me. For example, whenever I accept something, whether it was an accomplishment, a new item, or even something small, and their reason felt different. It wasn't just neutral, it was more like they didn't like it. Sometimes they become sarcastic, and other times they would say things that felt a bit hurtful. What else? That's when I started to wonder, are they jealous of me? So kidding. Honestly, at first felt so bad. I feel sad. Because I never had any intention of competing with them. I was just living my life the way I normally do. But from their perspective, maybe look different. You know, I even question myself. Did I do something wrong? I showing too much of what I have. Until eventually I realized that jealousy can come from anyone, even from the people close to us. You know, she hates me or jealous of me. From junior high school? No. Wait. From junior high school. He hate me because I'm he he is often compared to me by his parents. You know, and from that he was hate me, and yeah, I don't care. But when I was uh when I was study at the boarding school, I me with him. He often she often complained to the parents. She she badmouthed me, and I'm angry because I feel I don't doing what he say, what his story about me to his to to the parents. And yeah, because he jealous me because I'm so uh sorry, because I'm so smart from he. Oh my god, I feel asleep. You know, I don't hate I don't hate she I don't hate her because we are cousin, and if we living family together, uh we can we can uh we can meet him, and yeah, we always say hello. You know, when I was when we was study at the boarding school, she often complain uh, she often compared the color of our skin. If I if I the whiter, he will be angry because he jealous. Astagfirullahaladzim. Sorry guys, sorry. Okay, next. As time went by, their attitude become more obvious. They started to distance themselves. We talk less, and sometimes when we meet, it felt uncomfortable. At that point, I had to choose either respond the same way or say to myself. In the end, mm, I choose to stay kind, not because I'm weak, but because I don't want a family relationship to be ruined, to be right, just because of jealousy. And I also started trying to understand them. Maybe they were feeling insecure. Maybe they feel left behind. And sometimes people who are jealous don't actually hate us. Mm, they are just struggling with themselves. From this experience, I learned a few important lessons. Uh, oh my god. First, we can't control other people's feelings. No matter how good we are, there is a chance uh, someone might feel jealous or uncomfortable. Second, don't let yourself become a bad person just because someone treats you badly. Stay true to your best self. And uh, now my relationship with my cousin, it's just normal, not as close as before, but not bad either. I choose to keep a healthy distance while still respecting them as family. I hope that one day they can they can see things from a different perspective, and maybe our relationship can get better again. And for those of you might have been in a similar situation, whether you're the one being invited or even the one feeling jealous, it's actually a very human thing. What matters is how we respond to it. Alright, that's all from me today. Thank you for listening and see you in the next video. waiting for my video afternoon later. Okay, uh, I will back again with talking about this story different. Bye guys.